Hi Lane, I'm back. So makita na nimo karon, this is a part 2 of my tutorial. Makita nimo karon nga the video which we uploaded is already 100% uploaded to YouTube. And after sa uploading, i-process pa na sa YouTube and it's also done na nakabutang diri processing done. So now we are ready to publish the video. But before that, um, mas mayo nga i-complete nimo so that you would have a name for your video. Ako ibutang diri, no? Ako ni siya butang og title like PJFM PJFM Children Sunday 2016. Now, mas labi pa yun if you put a description like kani, I will describe the video although di na siya mugawas naman ng title o niya. Title naman mugawas pero the video I would describe it as Little MCs. Okay? Now you'll see nga ang privacy niya is public. Tapos you can also add a message here to your video which I'm not doing. Dili lang I'm not putting a message. Okay lang na siya, skip lang ako siya. So it's ready. The video is ready. So I'll click publish. Okay. Now you now have a YouTube video. Now, if you can see na link here, this is the link to your video. Now, if you want to send the link, imo lang na siyang i-highlight and then Control C for copy. Unya mo na dayon siyang imong i-Control V to sa atohang chat room, no? Now, maski unsa na kadako ang video, pwede ra gyud na siya when it's already uploaded to YouTube. You can always send it anytime. Wala na dili na moangal ang chat room ana. Okay? Now here it is. Your video's done. Now if you want to test, confirm nimo nga it's in your channel, you click Video Manager. So kita kag i-upload naman na ako kaganiha but I've already uploaded it again para ka makahibalo. So for your consumption lang. Now I already have two videos of the same type sa akong channel. I'll just have to delete the other one. Okay, wait lang kay nag-load pa. Oh, so dugay naman. Okay, here. Here it is. Here it is. So, naano siya, oh. Now, i-click na ko ni siya. I-click na ko na siya. Kung naabag yun. Okay. Na. So, muna ni siya, Lane. Nana ang video. Okay? Ay, kadugay. Oh, see? Nana. Nana ang video. Now, I would want to send this to the chat room. What should I do? Oh, ako saan siya i-stop? I-stop ba? Oh. Oh. Saba na siya. Now, what I'll do, because I want to copy the link, ako na siyang i-send to the chat room. What you will do, para makuha nimo ang link is, imo lang i-click ang share. Kung na-click na nimo ang share, mugawas na dayon ang link. And i-Control C na nimo. Tapos, okay, you go to Facebook. Tapos gi-open ako ang ako orang kuan. I'm not opening our chat room. I just opened my own sa pa ni ang akong account lang akong gi-open. Now I will control V na ko diri. Oh, see? Oh, so naa na siya. Naka-send it. Oh, mo na siya lane. Okay? Now, that ends my tutorial. I hope you understood. Bright makay ka. I hope kanang maka-add ni siya, maka-help ni siya to enhance your techie personality. And pirmi na nimo magamit. So, muna na siya, Lane. What you will do is you upload the video because you said na kuan man siya kanang too large to send. So, what you do is you upload it to YouTube and then send the link to the chat room para ma-view na mo ang video. Okay? So, bye-bye for now. Thanks for watching. Bye. God bless.